Hi, I'm Tani Rai and I'm 35 years old. The first time I joined, it was like 6 months, and the second cycle was like 3 months. I think the main concern was definitely weight because I had put on a lot of weight during COVID. So I wanted to do it in a more sustainable way that, I can follow for the entire life. I think I was 77 when I started and I was 58, 57. I don't think it was difficult at all, to my surprise. As in, the Indian mentality that you have to eat in a thali sort of way, right? You need rice, you need roti, you need dal, and all those things, right? But just having to have the awareness and the knowledge that, what combination works for you. She'll always ask, what's your ethnicity? What were you born eating, as a child, and things like that. So that's what really helped, I think. Surprisingly, carbs and vegetables and all worked more for me than, just protein dense diet. So, breakfast used to be like upma, poha, or thepla, and then mid meal used to be fruits, khakra, nuts. So it's easy and it's accessible. I think I've come out as a very disciplined person in life. I think that was the biggest gain more than the weight loss and all. Let's say you're following a diet, right? And at some point you'll hit that wall that, I am craving this, days will be bad, life would be chaotic, and you always would reach out to food for that. So having that balance, right, that you're not losing your sanity, it's really helped. I think I would tell them just start. Don't think too much. In the end, do what you have to do and just start. And I would definitely, recommend Anupama. Yeah.